Good afternoon. This afternoon we are in Ravenglass, partly because I've always wanted to come here and partly because it features in both of the books that we have brought with us. The Short Walks Made Easy, Lake District, and 111 places in the Lake District that you shouldn't miss. So we are going to have a wander around and follow the walk and see what we see. We are almost back at the car now in Ravenglass, having done a loop of the village and a little arm out each way. This is a really lovely walk. I can highly recommend it. Views over the estuary, a very pretty village, a steam railway if that's your sort of thing, and a Roman bathhouse. Look it up in this book here.
Ratty Arms.